Hadin ke jingpen bena badangshan na ki Election Commission of India ban penlong ya ki election ke Pynjyrngam minta usnem ketnat election ha ke jela kan sepenlong ya ke program thong ding ha ke ne ki election Lok Sabha ban Salongshon. U Chief Electoral Officer u BDR Tiwari ula ong ba ki thmu ban thong arteli kiten riding haman la ki polling station. Haga juga por utuwari ula pentip ru ba kilanang penbun ya ki polling station syaka lai hajar sanspa khat arteli habayunu jor ba ki polling station por ba penlong ya ki election syaka yeng dor bar thawan ka badan lai hajar sauspa prapu arteli ki polling station. Haba pentip ba South Hoteli ki company jongka Central Armed Police Force kila dan lupa ula pentip ru bala dadonkam ondang pa syuk salai pusanteli ki company ka CAPF. Haka bagaya day bat ki senjam bala shim ban yakun persya ya ke jingduna ki nongwan tap vote u CEO ula ong ba kila syong perkhat sani bha kat kum ke jinglong ke jaka tap vote bat ke district bat kila tray ringkat lang bat ki dorbar shnong ki school bat ki wei.
Now we are having 3,512 polling stations. So those things have been worked out based on all those challenges keeping in mind, and 32 new polling stations, while 2 polling stations are been merged with each other. Grassroots level institutions like Darbar, schools and other social institutions are also we are partnering with, and all the strategies being worked out, and moreover through the media, through our volunteers, BLOs, the intensive exercise and activities at the grassroots level.
Laingot ki nong